What's up, y'all? Jay on the Segway. Look, today's video came from you guys, man. You guys been asking me this question. How do you add 2 tracks to your videos? Well, it's not as simple as Insta360 where, you know, with the Ace Pro 2, the X5, the X4 Light cameras, even the Luna, if I'm not mistaken. In the Insta360 app, there's a slider. Hey, hi guys. We have the dual audio setup here. You can see the slider go to the right and then see it go all the way to the left. Wouldn't it be nice if GoPro gave that to us? I'm sure it would be. If you use Bluetooth audio or an external shotgun microphone, for example, with your camera, if that's available to use with the camera, there's a slider in the app that you can favor the sound more of than the other, okay? So like right now, you guys are listening to me with the Media mic microphone on cardioid. And then you have me right here on the GoPro wireless microphone. Now, you guys know I hate doing this whole microphone in the hands, look like a ridiculous type of dude type thing. But I want you guys to hear how it sounds and how that process looks, transitioning 2 different audio tracks together. So to get started, okay, you have to pull down from the menu, turn your GoPro on, pull down, swipe left 2 times. And you're gonna have 2 tracks at this point. If you have your wireless microphone Bluetooth to your camera, or if you have a shotgun microphone because you're using a media mod, Bluetooth to, connected to the media mod directly, you should see the shotgun microphone or the Bluetooth microphone and the media mic mods. Make sure you have audio metering on so you can see that they're actually active. When you turn the camera on and you have these devices connected, you should see them show up on the screen saying, hey, media mod connected. And then the Bluetooth microphone, it'll say Bluetooth mic connected. Hopefully you guys can hear me because it's kind of windy out here and just hoping the wind isn't messing up the audio. So you guys want to make sure you do that first, all right? And then you go on ahead and you record your video. First of all, you want to make sure that the Bluetooth microphone, this is what I did, okay? I don't know if this is the right way or the wrong way, but what I did was I made sure that the Bluetooth microphone was recording to the main track, okay? The media mod mics is just secondary. That's just what I did, all right? If you upload these videos in the GoPro Quick app, you will see that you can only pick one or the other. Some of you guys are wanting to know how to combine them, and this is where GoPro, they advertise this as a cinematic action camera, and this is kind of why. This is more like professional grade level action camera stuff, okay? This is not for the easy people, man. This right here, what I did was, and what I'm gonna do now, as I sit here editing this video, I decided to let you guys. That's the 3rd time. This was the 3rd take of me recording this video, and that's exactly what happened every single time. So I am inclined to believe that the GoPro is the problem. Now, I do run a beta software from GoPro on my Mission 1. So what I'm going to do from here on out, I will not shoot this video again. If you guys follow everything you saw in this video, it should work for you. You may have to save that video twice. Save it the first time, rename it, okay? Put whatever you're gonna name it. Say video 1, right? Say video 1, and then put video 1 annex the second time you save it. That way, when you go to your editing program, you'll know which one should be on the main timeline and which one should be on the bottom. And all you got to do, if your editing program allows it, hit the video on the bottom timeline and separate the audio, and then just delete the video and use the audio. Hopefully your editing program shows you the equalizer. I'm calling it the equalizer / the heartbeat, or whatever you want to call it. Every time you talk, you see the little heartbeat lines on the timeline. Make sure they're kind of lined up with each other, and don't move them before you listen to the video or play the video. Play the video first to make sure, because maybe those heartbeats don't align up visually, but they are lined up. You get what I'm saying? It should work for you. If your Mission 1 doesn't have any glitches or anything going on with it, it should work. This should be no problem for you. Mine just isn't working. But that's one way to do this, okay? GoPro hasn't made it clear on how exactly you actually have 2 audio files in your video, like in post editing. They don't specify. They don't have a slider in the Quick app. It would be real nice, GoPro, if you guys had a slider in the app that people can actually slide to favor more sound one way or the other. And if they don't want to do that, then they do what I just did, which is the hard way. Okay. So you got to do this twice. So what you do is you go on ahead, open up the GoPro Quick app while your camera is on, find your camera, hit View Media. You're going to download this video. You're going to go down to download it, hit View Media, go to Edit, and then go to Sound or Volume and hit Stereo. That means the built-in microphones, per the way you set it up, is where the audio is going to come from this video clip. Then you hit save, hit that arrow on the top right. This is what I do, okay? I hit the arrow. Okay, hit the arrow. Go down to save to phone on the left, quality settings, select the settings you wanted to save in. Once you do that, you go to the bottom and hit continue. And then wait for it to save. Now you're going to exit on the top left next to the word success. You're going to go and rename this file. Now you don't have to do this if you remember the order of the files, but imagine shooting a whole video like this. So I renamed it and I did audio 1. And then we're going to hit rename. We're going to go back to the Quick app. Back to the Quick app. There you go. Hit the X on the top left. Now you're going to hit edit. You're going to go to volume again. And now hit Bluetooth mic. And then we're going to go and press save on the top right corner. And then we're going to go on ahead and hit that arrow again. Go to save to phone, quality settings, set the settings you want. Because you're using this just for audio, don't get fancy with it. Do it in 720p if you will. And then hit continue. Let it save. And then once it saves, now you have your media mod sound profile and you have your Bluetooth microphone sound profile. So I'll name this audio 2. Again, I do remember the order, so I don't necessarily need to do it. Now back to the editing program. I'm going to find where I need to add the videos or where I can add the video to the timeline. So in KineMaster's video, I'm going to hit GoPro exports and you see there's 2 37-second ones. I'm going to put the Bluetooth one on the top, and then that second video, I'm going to back out. I'm going to add the layer, then hit media. Then I'm going to go to GoPro exports, hit that second one. And now I have my thing right here. I'm going to hit the second one. I'm going to scroll all the way down until I see extract audio. And then I'm going to delete the video because I got the audio from it. And now the main video has the Bluetooth microphone and the one on the bottom has the stereo, or vice versa. You just have to remember the order, and then you'll know which one. So thanks for watching, guys. I truly appreciate y'all taking the time to watch this whole video. It was hard for me to leave the whole video in, but I feel like it was important for you guys to see that because transparency. Get on my main channel. I got the link in the description for that over down there. And G's Moto, that's the homie. She does moto vlogging and stuff like that, or that's the purpose of her channel. So if you guys are into that, go over there and subscribe, give her a like, let her know I sent you over there. And thanks for watching, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. And again, if you have any video ideas, just let me know in the comments below and I got you. This video came because it was a video idea. Like, too many of y'all was asking this question, so that's why this video was here. Jonasegway. See y'all later. Peace.